YouTube, so I am about to do a burping challenge video. So I don't really have a pop soda because I try to stay away from pop drinks and everything. Is this right on or something? I know if I drink really water fast or something, it'll make me burp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try see how many burps I can do all in one go. Like the burping goes long, I'm from A to Z in the alphabet, so it'd be like if I go A B C D E F G H I, like I managed to go from A to Z without like only one burp. We'll see how it goes. I should probably get a cup of water instead. There we go. I'm gonna keep count, probably lose count anyways. Maybe I will be less burps. I'm gonna guess I'm probably going to do 10 burps at most that I can do in counting from A to Z. So, here we go. Ugh. Oh god, I'm gonna puke. Ugh. Okay, that was not even 10. That was like close to only 24 counts. Oh well. I think maybe if I had a can of soda maybe, then it probably would have made a difference. Actually, yeah, carbonation does help actually, so that was probably a fluke anyways for the burping challenge. I'm sorry this video is very short though. I'm trying to think of other challenges I can think of. So I got like a new lighting or something, so my face isn't just using ceiling light, so it doesn't look like I'm like haunting anyone or something. Ideas for challenges, help me let me know out or something. I can't even speak right now. Let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. I'm happy, but I hope you enjoyed this video of me burping, which sounded kind of gross, and it was probably this is not a very good video or something. Maybe I'll do DIYs or something, or bake something. I don't know, maybe vlogs. What else will I say? Yeah, that's everything. Okay, bye! What the